The life of a samurai in this day and age still requires certain qualities: determination, strength, and an unyielding drive. All of these values are important in my line of work. To be seen and recognized as the ultimate samurai, people often laugh or stop and stare in confusion. With how the world is these days, what is the need for a samurai? I pay no attention to them. A modern-day samurai like myself not only pays homage to their ancestors, but takes it upon themselves to act as an extra hand to those who require one. Without such values, I'd be a sham. Why did I come back here? To reminisce? Familiarity, maybe. A place where I feel at peace. Or perhaps even...
You're early, Ukezeki. I didn't think I'd ever see you back here. How long has it been? 8 years? 8 long years since you left us.
Left? You know that's not true, Kenji.
Then, what is true? The fact that you roamed the streets looking like that? Too far. I almost didn't recognize you compared to the last time we met up. That was right after you graduated, wasn't it? You've really embraced this whole samurai thing, huh?
It's more than just a costume, you know.
No, I've heard. You're the talk of the town back home, aren't you? I've even heard that the mayor endorsed you and all. You're an inspiration, man.
I suppose this is your way of trying to cheer me up?
Whoa, hey. You know I wasn't being serious when I walked in, right?
Then why bother saying it? I didn't come to get reminded of my shortcomings. I wanted to remember the good times, at least before that day comes. The ultimate jury. A high honor for sure, but with it comes great pressure and great responsibility. That said, I remember why I came here now. It's just like I thought. A place where I can be at peace. I suppose inviting Kenji was so I had someone familiar to share the peace with. But maybe I should have picked someone who wouldn't bring up such incidents.
It's been everywhere. The whole jury duty thing. But it's just as I said. You're one of the people everyone looks up to.
It's inevitable, I suppose. Whilst I can't say I understand how these things work, I'm proud to be who I am today. 5 years. It's been 5 years since that title was awarded to me. I could sense my ancestors looking down upon me with so much pride.
Yeah. Look, Hawk. There's something I've been meaning to ask. Why a samurai?
What do you mean?
Your title, dude. It's not like you're out there protecting the town from invaders. You're saving cats from trees and cleaning up trash on the sidewalk. I don't mean it in a bad way. Not at all. Maybe the term means a lot more to you than it does to me.
Then maybe that's it.
What's it?
I'll be back in a moment.
What's going on with you, Hawk?
Do I still not know? After all these years? No, I know. I know perfectly well. I am Hakuhei Ukezeki, the ultimate samurai. Time to go back. This feels like an appropriate time to get back to work. What on earth is that?
Mayday! Mayday! Oh man, I knew that was a bad idea.
Excuse me, sir, is everything okay?
Well, look what we have here! That's a top-notch outfit. For your question, though, yes, I'm quite alright. You never know where the world may need you. A grand detective never falters in his search for the truth, my dear fellow, and that tree was calling my name.
I see.
I hope I didn't break your concentration down here. I tried to be as quiet as possible.
You didn't, don't worry. It's quite easy for me to dissociate from the world around me when it comes to my meditation.
Huh. I could surely use a skill like that. It sure helped me and... Oh! I almost forgot! Whilst you're here, I may as well ask you about this. It'll help explain why I was up there in that tree. Have you seen this man at all recently? Does any part of him look familiar?
No. I can't say I have.
Drat! Still no real leads.
If you don't mind me asking, what are you investigating around here? I believe you mentioned earlier that you're a grand detective.
Oh, you're an observant one. You'd be right, too. I don't exactly want to reveal too much, but this chap was recently let out of prison. The evidence they used to put him away was discovered to be a load of hogwash. That one big firm found it all out. Law and order officers or something. They do my head right in. But when you've got the head of the legal system backing you, I suppose it's hard to question their decisions.
And you're tracking him down because...
Oh? Well, I'm sure I can say. He pulled a vanishing act. Gone. Without a trace. This isn't the first time it happened either. So I've taken the liberty of investigating myself. And with that, I bid you farewell, good sir. Thank you for the chat.
He seemed normal enough. What was that one group he mentioned, though? Law and Order Offices. I could have sworn they were the ones who invited me here. The ones who were organizing this ultimate jury. Fate works in mysterious ways.